Hey guys, I'm Tasha and you're watching Customized Close-Up. Today I'm going to be giving you a deep inside look at some of the products that new members are going to get to choose for the Editor's Box. In case you're not familiar, the Editor's Box is the best introduction to FabFitFun because it is filled with products and items that our members and editors absolutely love. These are our fan favorites, things that people cannot get enough of. So if you are not a member yet, sign up right now at FabFitFun.com, become a member, and do not miss out on all of these amazing items. Oh, and let me let you in on a little secret. This Editor's Box actually has the most customized options of any FabFitFun box ever, ever. We have never offered this many choices in a single box, so if you're getting in on this box, you are very lucky. Before we get into all this, be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you never miss out on any videos that we post, and hit that little bell. Make sure you get those notifications. So for this category, all members can choose. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into the first product, which is the Burn 60 resistance bands. So these babies are great, and I promise you are not gonna be able to resist them. We're fine. These babies are an absolute must for those New Year's goals. If you are trying to kickstart your fitness goals, you need to have these. It's like a no excuse workout tool because you can take them absolutely anywhere with you. You can wear it as a headband to work. Just kidding, don't do that. The best part about these is that you can get an all over burn. So you can use these on your ankles, on your thighs, on your calves. You can put them on your wrists and get a little arm workout there. They're very handy. So they come in 3 different levels of resistance. So you're going to have your light. So that's this one. Then we have your medium. This type of band is one of my favorites. I really like to get a nice little glute workout with these. Some little squats to the side. Can't really show you right now, but it basically looks like that. Get a little dance groove going on. And then we also have our heavy resistance. So this is gonna be for those larger muscles. You could like put this underneath your feet and then hold on to the sides and then do some squats, get into those larger muscles. These are going to be great for your workouts in 2020. I highly recommend grabbing these. Speaking of 2020 goals, if wellness is on your mind for this upcoming year, we have just the thing for you. This is the Tease Self-Care Elixir, and this stuff is definitely something you're gonna want if you're trying to chill out, relax, get into a nice little routine of self-care and just taking care of you and having some me time. So this loose leaf tea actually contains strawberry, dandelion, cinnamon, and orange pieces. It all comes together to give you the nicest, most relaxing, yummy tea that you've ever sipped on. It comes with this cute little infuser here to make it nice and easy for you. All you're gonna do is just pop this baby open. It smells really nice, you guys. Like, this is just making me wanna go to sleep right now. I'm just gonna use this, and we're just gonna pour some of it in there. And then from there, we just pop the top right on, and then just infuse our tea, pour some hot water, chill out, watch some Netflix, scroll on your Instagram, unfollow some people, whatever you need to do to make yourself feel amazing. What I really love about this tea is that it is dairy-free, wheat-free, GMO-free, and it has medicinal herbs that promote relaxation. So this is the perfect bedtime tea. Drink it after dinner, make it your routine, and you're gonna have an amazing 2020, nice and refreshed and relaxed. All right, moving on. Next up, we have the Eyeko London I Do Black Liquid Eyeliner. This is great for those perfect cat eye looks that you're going for, especially if you are maybe not so great at doing eyeliner, and liquid eyeliner can be like a little bit scary. I know how it goes. You're kind of afraid that like one little slip might completely ruin your look. Next thing you know, you're looking like Ozzy Osbourne. We don't want that. This one makes it really easy because the nib I learned that this is called a nib. So the nib is nice and thick, coming to a little point at the end. It's pretty much like any pen that you've ever used, so you can use it the same way. But the best thing about this is that it's single stroke color that doesn't skip or drag. So once you're used to that, you can just put this on in just one nice line, and you really don't have to worry about messing up at all. It's nice and easy for you. Another great thing about this liner is that it is waterproof even on your waterline. So that's like pretty waterproof, you guys. Like even if you're doing the polar plunge, which I don't really suggest, but if you're jumping into freezing cold water, this has got you covered. And it is also lash enhancing. So while you're wearing it, it's going to be using a tripeptide boost to be strengthening those lashes, making them longer and stronger. We love that. All right, speaking of lashes, we have one of my all-time favorite mascaras, you guys. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I use this every day. I'm excited to tell you about it. It is blacker than black long wear mascara, and it will give you thicker, longer lashes. I actually get it in every edit sale that we have, so I'm excited that we're offering it in an editor's box. The brush is custom engineered to give a more voluminous look, and so I like to just get, I'm gonna hurt myself right now without a mirror, but I'm gonna try anyway. So just get right in there. I kind of like wiggle it to the side and then pull up. I can't, it doesn't, what?
Did I just get some underneath my eyes?
The reason I love this stuff so much is that it has a vitamin-infused formula that actually conditions while it lengthens your lashes. It's also a wetter formula, so it's not drying, it's not gonna flake or budge or anything like that. Once it's on, it is on. Personally, this is a must-have for me. If you're sold on it, pick it for your editor's box. Moving right along, next up we have the Winky Luxe Mini Latte Kitten Palette. Love all of the shadows in here. I can't wait to show you. We've got Frothy, which is a pretty like champagne color. We have Hazelnut, which is a little bit warmer there, kind of got like some reddish orange coppery tones, so pretty. Then we have Brulee. This is one of the matte shades, would make a really, really nice base. And then we have Honey Lavender, which is my favorite latte flavor of all time. And then we have Cinnamon. So that's your matte orange color, kind of a burnt orange. And then we have Hibiscus, a gorgeous, deeper purple. These are so, so gorgeous. You could wear these day or night, and also so easy to travel with. I'm all about a mini palette these days. I think you could also even use this honey as like a highlighter. Oh yeah. And it has a mirror, by the way. This palette is cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, vegan. It's a wrap. Album dropping Friday. And on top of all of that, it smells like coffee. Like, get your Morning Joe in your eyeshadow palette. I mean, what could be better than that? Next up, we have the Grace and Stella Dr. Pedicure Foot Peeling Mask. I think you'll find really appealing. Did you see what I did there? This is one of the most unique products that seriously works. It is kind of crazy, so I'm gonna tell you about it. All you do is you're gonna have these two little booties here, and these are filled with a formula that is going to help peel away all the dead skin, all the gross stuff on your feet that you don't really want. It's gonna leave you with the most baby soft feet in the entire world. You'll see you've got these booties. You're just gonna cut the top off. You're gonna slip them on your feet. You're gonna put socks on, and you're just gonna let it soak all in for about an hour. It doesn't hurt at all. It really doesn't feel like anything. So you're just gonna chill out, kick up your feet, do whatever you wanna do for about an hour. And then after that, you just take them off, and you're gonna be like, nothing happened. But something did happen. Magic happened. So then about a week later, long after you've thrown these babies away, you are going to see your feet just shed away all of that skin. You're gonna like feel like a snake, okay? It's gonna be a little bit weird. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like you legitimately feel like a reptile. But after a couple days of your feet peeling away all the dead skin, you guys, your feet. I can't even, it's like a baby's butt, a puppy's butt. It's like all the butts. You're gonna feel like you are walking on clouds. You're gonna put your feet on your boyfriend or whoever, and they're gonna be like, who is that? Because they're not even gonna know. Whose feet are these? Babe, it's me, I swear. They didn't feel like that yesterday. No, it's me, come on, I just got the FabFitFun box. Listen, this might cause a breakup, but you know what? It's gonna be worth it. This product is powerful, so make sure that you are consulting your doctor if you are nursing, pregnant, or diabetic. All right, next up we have the Serefina Rose Cut Cubic Zirconia Cuff Bracelet. This is a piece that will go with absolutely anything, amazing for layering, so pretty. It has these beautiful oval shaped cubic zirconia pieces right here, and then it is also adjustable to your wrist. You can just clamp it a little bit tighter if you have a smaller wrist, or widen it a little bit if you need to make it fit however you want. It has 14 karat gold plating over brass. It also has this cute little charm right here. You can really dress it up or dress it down. You can wear it to the office. You can wear it to a more formal event. It's gonna enhance any outfit that you have, and that's why it's one of my favorite pieces that we've ever had in a FabFitFun box. And last but not least, in this customized category, we have the Jennifer Zeuner Double Star Necklace. This was another fan favorite in our FabFitFun box, so you know that it is FabFitFun member approved. So this is an 18-inch necklace. It has 2 rows, so it's already pre-layered, but you can also layer it with other pieces if you want to. You could have like a tighter choker on the top. It has these gorgeous little star charms. It's gold plated, and it also is adjustable. So I'll show you here. It has these little jump rings. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of that Tyra Banks. Do you remember her?
Shine bright, shine far, be a star, where you live, where you are, be a star.
So this necklace is yellow gold plated stainless steel. It's another piece that's going to go with absolutely any outfit. You're gonna get so many compliments on this. I do every time I wear it. We've seen so many FabFitFun members on Instagram rocking this necklace and just getting so many compliments. I don't know how you're gonna pick from all of these amazing products. It's gonna be really hard. So that's it for this category. Comment below, tell me what you guys are gonna pick for your editor's box. I mean, this is really tough. I think I would have to go, I'm gonna go with this Winky Luxe palette. I gotta have it, but all of these products are amazing. If you're not a member yet, make sure again that you are signing up at fabfitfun.com. New members are gonna get to choose this for their editor's box. Make sure that you watch the other customized close-up videos too, so that you see all of the things that you can pick from. Like, mind-blowing. And I will see you guys next time. Oh my God.